My Ford is a Ford F350 Superduty, 6.4 liter, 2008 model. Okay. You must change this filter depending on what kind of fuel you've got at least once a year. Use a 36 with a 6 thing, not a 12, a 36. And this up from here, get up from behind. And put the breaker on here, either from this way or from a long extension from there. I use this one here to loosen it because it's really tight. I use this one to loosen it. And I think a bit like this with the thing on it. Then once it's loose, 6.1. Otherwise you damage the plastic. It's in a size 36. And open here, let the fuel out first. This tap here. There's a tap here, just swing it open and it'll all leak out. Let the fuel leak out first, otherwise you have a hell of a mess. This tap, see the tap there? There, start it. Here, the tap, where my finger is there. Flip that over and the fuel will leak out here until it's empty and then take it off. Yep. Okay. So you start.
Stop.
Okay. Filters. I have a original one. It cost me $76 here in Cambodia. But the copy ones you probably get for 20. The wrong thing. But first thing, the copy one is a better quality and it doesn't have the breather hole, which you're going to have in the top. Most guys don't say. You'll see here, there's a hole here, where there's even a mark on top of the filter. That should be upwards. So it bleeds the air out. See the hole there? That's the one in the chassis, the back filter. Another one is a front one here, this one. This is quite simple. Just put it down again and fill up. Put it out.
Okay.
By mounting the back one, you have to be quite careful that you don't put any side pressure on it. If something breaks in that fuel pump, it's going to cost you big money. It's got to be pushed quite straight in. Mainly pushing it is not a problem, but pulling it out, you got to be careful taking it out, that you don't pry to the side. So if something breaks inside, it's going to be a big problem. Put it back in. Not down, but not too tight, only until it's touched, just snug up a bit. But we use to pump a tire. The tire thing, the tire nipple to pump your tires. Buy a nipple for a bicycle. And then, here, wait a minute. You screw. On here you got the breather, on the cooler here. The breather pipe, put this one on. On here, tighten that up. It doesn't have to be too tight, medium. Put this in the bottle. Don't make a mess, put it in the bottle, get a bottle of diesel, which we used before. And put this down here. You'll see the air coming. When no more air comes here, then we can stop. I'll turn it off now.
Coming now. Good idea.
Coming now, huh?
Ganz wenig jetzt. Ganz wenig Luft. Keine Luft. Keine Luft.
Every time at 30 seconds, turn on and off. At least 4 or 5 times, 30 seconds. Hash down. You got to turn it on and off about 5 or 6 times, but it's better if the air can go out. 3 or 4 times on and off. And you can disconnect here again, actually. Put the cap on. Actually, you could even start no more air coming to take off, turn off here. You could even have the engine running, it would run. Actually, I could start the engine. Let me start here. When no more air comes, you can actually stop, turn it off. No more mess. I go and start the engine now. Now ready? I go start now. Let's see.